Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn about a few modes of transport. There are different modes of transport. There are waterways, railways, airways and roadways. Okay. So for now we will just learn the different kinds of modes of transport. Okay. So we start with this. Can you all see the picture? Okay, what is this? Where is this? This is in the middle of the sea somewhere. Okay, so this is called a ship. Okay, this is a ship, and this ship is a waterway. Okay, it's more of a waterway. It is only found in the sea. All right. Okay, this is a smaller version of a ship. This is called a ferry. Why is it called a ferry? Okay, in places like Goa, they have they have to travel on an island, so they have to reach from here on the other side of the island, so they take the ferry. So this is called a ferry. This is a boat. Can you see what this person is doing? He is also in the sea somewhere. Okay, he is somewhere on the sea, and he maybe even a riverside. He is trying to catch some fish. Okay, so he looks more like a fisherman to me, and he is on his boat. He's gone out fishing. Yeah, this is a boat. What does this look like? This is called a taxi. And where is it found? It is usually found on our roads. Okay, this is a taxi. What is this person riding? She is riding a scooter. This is a scooter. What is she riding, children? A scooter. And what is this? It's a bigger version of a car, right? So this is usually called as a van. What is this called? A van, where you can accommodate more people. Okay? What does this look like? This is a cycle. So most of you all will have cycles. Yes? So this is a cycle. What is this? This is an ambulance. So when do they use the ambulance? Okay, when somebody has to be taken to the hospital, you call for an ambulance. So this is an ambulance. What is this? This is an auto. What is this? An auto. So what happens in the auto? The auto is used to commute or to travel from place to place. Okay, so I think most of you all would have traveled in the auto. So this is a mode of transport to commute from one place to the other. What is this? It looks like a motorbike. Yes, it's a motorbike. Look at it, children. It has somebody sitting on it and riding. So we see lot of bikes on the road, no? So they are called motorbikes. Okay, this is a car. This is a car. So all of you all should be knowing what are cars for. Cars are also a mode of transport. What is this? What does this look like? What does this look like? It looks like a bus. Okay, it can accommodate lot of people. So many passengers will travel by bus. What is this, children? This vehicle is called a jeep. What is it called? It's called a jeep. Okay, jeeps are mostly found here also, but most people use jeeps in hilly regions. Okay. What is this? This is a truck. This truck basically carries a lot of goods. Okay, so this is called a truck. Okay, so here what do we have? This is a railway. Yes, can you see the railway here? So what happens on the railway? What goes on the railways? A train. So the train is a rail transport. What is a train? A train is a rail transport. And now we have metros, right? In Bangalore also we have metros. So this is a metro. Okay, what is it called? It can be called a underground train or a subway train, okay, or like we call it here, it is a metro. Okay, now what is this? What is this called? It's a helicopter. What is it? A helicopter. Okay, so this is one of the airways. What is this? Airways. Look at this picture. It's colorful and nice. And what is it called? It's called a hot air balloon. Okay, it's called a hot air balloon. What does this look like? This looks like a rocket. Does it look like a rocket to you? Okay, this is a rocket. Okay, this is also found going in the air only, right? So even the rocket is one of those modes of air. It travels in the air, in the sky. Okay. Now we have the aeroplane. Where do you find the aeroplane? The aeroplane will be up in the sky flying, right? So this is also a air transport. So for now, these are the only few transports that we'll have to learn. Okay, children. So you all can just watch the video and learn a few of these transports. Okay. Thank you, children.